Okay guys, here's a quick video of the 2001 Firebird. I'll be following this up with engine bay and interior videos, but right now just looking at the outside of the car. So again, this is a 2001 Firebird in the Mystic Teal Metallic, so it flops between a teal and a purplish lavender color. The Firebird just rolled 40,000 original miles last week. I'm the second owner. It's just been an absolutely fantastic car. Zero leaks, nothing wrong with it mechanically. And it's 100% bone stock. I added the Trans Am wheels just because I wanted the chrome. I have the factory wheels that I'll show in another part of the video. But it's still factory exhaust. I mean, everything. This car is bone stock, like I say. I'm the second owner of it. And I bought it from an 86-year-old woman. She bought it when she was 65 years old from Wentworth Chevrolet here in Eugene, Oregon. She still has a license plate surrounds on it from that dealership. She traded in a gold Firebird and bought this one new in '01. It was her pride and joy, always garage indoors, and I have continued that same theme. It's always been stored inside my shop at my house. Her son is who I dealt with on purchasing the car. He said in the entire time that she owned it, the T-tops were only out 3 times, and that was 3 times that he took them out while washing the car, just so he could get down inside the T-top pockets to keep everything clean. She absolutely loved T-top cars, as I do, but she liked the T-tops in. She liked having the dual sunroof look, so she never took them out. So the seals are all super pliable yet, in beautiful condition. And I've been caught in some pretty heavy rain with this and has not leaked a drop. So I can definitely tell you the T-tops in this car do not leak. So the only dent in the car, you can see the small one right here in the rear quarter. I actually talked to a paintless dent removal guy, and he was gonna pop it out for me, and I forgot to drive the car to work that day. But he said that was definitely something he could address, so just keep that in mind. It's a pretty small dent, but there is a small dent here in the rear quarter by the antenna. There, you can probably see it best right there. And no other dents in the car. It's just in very, very nice condition. The car is not perfect, but it is awfully nice. There's a couple notable scratches. The first one being up here. This one's probably, well, there's the tip of my finger, so that's how long that one is there. And then down here, you can see, I don't know if there's a rock when somebody was washing it, but it caused a couple loopy little scratches down there below the side marker light. You can kind of see the comparison in the size there. Other than that, there are just some minor little chips and small scratches just from the fact that it has been driven 40,000 miles, but as you can see, overall, the car is in exceptionally nice condition. Right, a real quick look under the hood here. Everything is just bone stock. Like I say, just last week it rolled 40,000 original miles. Just a quick video of the Firebird starting up and running. There you can see the mileage on the car. Like I say, the car is 100% stock. Original muffler, exhaust, everything's still on it, so it's very quiet. There's another super quick video over here outside in the sun, just to show you some of that flop that it does between the lavender or purple and the green. It doesn't show up so much inside of the building. You can kind of see between the shade and the sun a little bit more of that flop. Kind of a hard thing to show on the video, but there you can kind of see how the hood is that lavender, the fender's the teal. Right, just a real quick look at the interior. I have not detailed it out. I apologize. Just a quick look. The interior is in fantastic condition. The original sunshades are here for the T-tops, as well as the factory instructions for the sunshades. And of course, these are the slots that you slide the T-tops down into in the rear hatch. There's been no holes cut for extra speakers or no major scratches. Just kind of the normal minor wear that you would see from a car that has been used, but certainly not abused. Door panels on this car in fantastic condition. So many of these will crack. And these are just in great shape. And let's say everything in the car works. All the power, everything, rear defrost, AC, cruise. Everything in the car works great. I know you can't see it in here, but the upholstery, maybe you can pick up on it. It actually has little flicks of lavender and green There you can see it in the upholstery work that accents how the paint flops. I can't imagine that a red car would have that same interior or any other color besides this, but don't quote me on it. But it just seems odd that the seat upholstery matches the colors, the two-tone colors of the paint job. Here's the original wheels and tires off the car. They're all in excellent condition.